This is a very simple gluten-free bread with figs.
The leaves here are so cute.
Now the ingredients. Gluten-free flour, sparkling water, baking powder, bicarbonate sodium, and salt. And I have these 2 dishes, but I will only use one. This is the easiest recipe in the world because you only need the flour and the sparkling water. I add salt to taste. As this flour is not self-rising, I will add baking powder and bicarbonate sodium. This is the fastest way to make bread, and there is no kneading, no proofing, and it doesn't need any time to leaven. You just need to mix the ingredients and immediately allow to bake. Trick, it's only on the way you're going to mix the ingredients. Please pay attention. And this is the moment that I'm going to mix the sparkling water with the flour. Mother usually says that she's going to dissolve the flour, which is making a dough without lumps. Little by little, you're adding the sparkling water, and you don't need more than 5 minutes to prepare this bread. And this is the desired consistency. We're done. We're ready. Here, my sister suggested that I would add figs, and they are from the vegetable garden from my parents' house, and they are organic. And this is September, and these are figs from the month of September. They're called September figs, and they're just sweet like honey. They had the heat from the summer that helped them to be just the best thing to have during this month. They're organic, and we're celebrating Organic Month, and I'm just so happy that I'm adding them. I think that my sister is a genius. What do you think? At this point, I'm just admiring my work of art, and if you like this idea of bread with figs, please don't forget to add your like and to comment, and let me know if you're a Gabrielian yet, and if you're not, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you and to read your comments and to have your likes so we can grow the channel. The bread is going to bake at 250 degrees for 10 minutes, and then I will reduce to 200 degrees. In the meantime, figs in the morning like this. September figs, so good, so fresh. I have to stop. It's a little bit addictive. Come on, it's so beautiful, isn't it? Is ready. I check with my hand, and if it bounces back, it's ready. It is. Okay, so here I have my specialty of the day. This is so easy to make, just around 10 minutes to prepare and then half an hour to bake. I'm going to use without lactose, so I have figs and cheese is the best thing ever. Don't you agree? So let's try. Amazing. I really like it. It's very soft. It's delicious. Really delicious. It's summery, you know. Summery option is just delicious. I love it. Well, there we are. September bread, and it's all organic flour, and then I have the sparkling water, and yeah, the figs, super organic from my parents' fig tree.